Witt and Carrie Hyam here, and we've known Kurt for about 3 years now. We met him for the very first time at an event in San Diego a little over 3 years ago. And when we were there at that event, I remember Witt leaning over to me and saying, "This is a guy who knows his stuff. We need to follow him."
Yeah, we were just really brand new to the whole online world. You know, we were trying to build our business using Facebook advertising, and so we were really beginners when we first listened to Kurt. And like Carrie said, you know, I remember listening to him for the first time, and I said, "This is a guy that we need to follow as we go down this road." And so we started to do that.
Yeah, over the last 3 years, anytime, I mean, we've seen each other at multiple events.
Yep.
Anytime he's given advice or anytime he has taught something from stage,
We've always tried to take it and implement it
always
into our
tried
business.
to take it and implement it into our business. And because of that, we've actually done very well in Facebook advertising over the last 3 years. We're the top producers in our company. And not only that, but for every dollar we put into Facebook, before we went to a training back in May, recently before, for every dollar we would put in, we'd make anywhere from $2.50 to $2.80. And we thought we were doing pretty good.
Yeah, we thought we were doing great. But lo and behold, we go to a 3-day weekend and hanging out with Kurt and him going over his belt strategy. We found out that we're leaving a lot of money on the table. So we took what we already knew and we started to implement a lot of what we learned with the belt strategy. And here's the cool thing.
3-day intensive.
Yes.
Yeah. And since then, so in the last 30 days, this workshop that we did with Kurt was a little less than 30 days ago. Since then, it's been kind of crazy what our numbers have done because of this belt strategy. We've taken our cost per acquisition. Before it was sitting around, I guess, $79, $80, and we've been able to actually cut that in half. Not only that, but for every dollar we're putting into Facebook right now, we're actually making close to $4.
Yes.
And we've only been doing it less than 30 days.
We've only applied just a little bit of it so far. And so, you know, we definitely give Kurt our highest recommendation for those that are going to be working with him. Still continues to change our lives and our strategy and our business for the things that we have learned from him. And so
we're really excited, even especially for the next 3 to 6 months, because we've only been doing this for 30 days and we've already filled so many of those holes in our bucket that we didn't even know was leaking. And it's all because of Kurt. It's all because of his belt strategy. So if you're looking to work with him, maybe attend one of his workshops, whatever it may be, we give him our highest endorsement and recommendation.